I'm saying like you want to sit in the coach.
Welcome aboard, folks. We are going to be traveling forward.
I might have tried to do it in a Wednesday, but
Yeah, that guy's a nice guy. You know, Mom? I'll see him in 4 years.
Well, all passengers, as a reminder, this is a back and forth shuttle service between here, Fantasyland Commercial Circus, and Main Street, USA to front of the park. The train will be leaving the station engine first. In the back 7 rows of any of our train cars facing the front of the train will also be facing direction
The
of
next
travel.
one isn't.
Here, Cole.
While aboard the train, please remain completely seated. If we have a stroller, make sure the stroller enters the row first before the last adult of your party. If we have anyone under the age of 7, make sure
Dad,
they
soon I'm going to be at the
first
throttle of that
before
thing.
the last adult in your party.
I'm going to be at the
And if you
throttle.
have any food or drink,
Yeah, one day. See? That's
Clear
Walter.
the rest of your belongings. There will be no eating or drinking while on the train ride. Our next part is going today at 9 a.m. Thank you for riding the Walt Disney World Railroad.
Come on, just take it.
Hold over here.
Your pal doesn't want to use phone.
He's looking at the blizzard.
He's pouting, so I want to use phone.
Huh?
He's pouting, so I want to use phone.
I heard, just show me a blizzard.
Yep, Dad. I wonder what... I think that's a Lunkenheimer 3-chime whistle.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, here we go.
Here's what you did.
Hear that? I think that's a Lunkenheimer 3-chime.
Anybody, anytime they find anybody that likes trains,
What?
yeah, he likes to talk to that guy, likes to talk to anybody that likes trains.
And I'm one of them, ain't I?
Yep.
I told him
Right up
that,
your alley.
Yep.
hey, Mom, I'll be at the
It's so
throttle
funny that
of
he
Walter
went-
soon.
That's what I said, that's
Hey,
crazy.
I can already see the break room.
Spanish Forward, this is weird.
I cannot believe Roy is in Pennsylvania. He's getting an overhaul.
So is
This is Walter.
this the one that we rode when we rode a couple years ago?
No, we were behind engine number 2, Lilybell. This is engine number 1, Walter. Lilybell was named after Walt's wife. All aboard! That's a Lunkenheimer 3-chime. Farewell, my friends. Soon I'll be at the throttle. Farewell, my friends.
On our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. This train's headed straight for Main Street, USA. We'll head on back to Fantasyland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms,
Yeah, it's
feet
only
and
2
legs
stops.
inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're gonna go through this
Next stop is
tunnel.
Head of the curve. For Metropolis of Mechanical Marvel,
There we go.
Tomorrowland.
People are gonna love this on YouTube, man. Woo-hoo-hoo.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a song.
That's why I love this railroad.
If he pulled this sword out of the snow, you're the one who can't. Because what happens if you're in the ground where it's slow? Stability. You're supposed to be the key.
Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
Okay, guys. So if you pull out, you get nothing besides an awesome memory or a bigger opportunity. So you don't get anything.
We're right behind a 460 10-wheeler. Hi. Hey, Dad.
That's the secret.
We're right behind a
Intergalactic
10-wheeler.
Travel possible. So simple once
You know that, right, Mommy?
right?
We're right behind a 10-wheeler.
Yes, sir.
A big
This
10-wheeler.
place of boundless optimism,
They're
the
very large in
possibilities
person.
are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Hey, Mom. When we get out, I want to get right at that
Hi,
walk
folks, please make sure we keep all hands on speed and links inside the train at all times,
I want to
please.
get right in front of
Thank
the
you.
locomotive, like on that platform.
We'll have to see.
There is a platform. It's where you exit, I think, and you can get a picture there. Listen to that chuffing sound.
Looks like our trip is almost complete. And though it was brief, I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a
We're
part
going
of it.
to
Main
We're now
Street.
approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats.
Oh,
After
that's
this,
right.
We'll circle back to Fantasyland. So, unless you're yearning for more of my yammering, this will be your stop. Until our train comes
There we
to
go. That was a
complete
loud
stop.
one.
Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark.
I guess that means the train's
If you have
arriving.
strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello?
That's a nice bell.
Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Very.
Alrighty, folks, as we roll on into the station, we do ask that you remain fully seated and fully inside the train until we come to a full and complete stop.
Mom,
Once
it's
we do,
right- it's
I'll
right
give
there.
you the two magic words of all clear. Only once you hear those is when you are safe to disembark. So please, for the moment, stay seated. Just stay seated, folks.